Today, we will talk about line chart, definition, types, examples, and how to make in Excel. A line chart is a graphical representation connecting a series of data points with a continuous line to show an asset's historical price action. It is a basic chart used in finance and typically displays a security's closing prices over time. Line charts provide traders with a visualization of a security's price movement over a period. They reduce noise from less critical times in the trading day and are popular with investors and traders to understand a security's activity. Using line charts helps traders identify key support and resistance levels, trends, and recognizable chart patterns. They are ideal for beginner traders due to their simplicity. However, line charts may not provide enough price information for some traders and strategies. A line chart is used to track changes over short and long periods by plotting a series of points and connecting them with a straight line. A line chart can show the change in information over time, such as the daily earnings of a store for 5 days. The horizontal axis would include the days of the week, while the vertical axis would have the daily earnings. In statistics, there are 3 main types of line charts: a simple line chart, a multiple line chart, and a compound line chart. A stacked line chart is used to compare trends over time with 2 or more sets of data and corresponding colored lines. The data values in a stacked line chart are added together. In Excel, line charts are suitable for displaying trends over time, especially if you have text labels, dates, or a few numeric labels on the horizontal axis. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. A line chart displays information as a series of data points connected by straight line segments. 2. A line chart is a way of visually representing an asset's price history using a single, continuous line. 3. Line charts usually only plot the closing prices, thus reducing noise from less critical times in the trading day, such as the open, high, and low prices. 4. Line charts are simplistic and may not fully capture patterns or trends. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.